All right, guys, we are getting ready to wash everything and clean everything up for the last part of the season, and so everything is ready for the start of next season. We changed the oil, the filters are clean, changed the blades, sharpened the blades, so everything's ready to go. But here's our power washer. We got the Ryobi 3300 psi power washer, and you know, it's been really good having it with a Honda engine, and you know, it gets everything off mud wise, and you know, all the stuff that just gets caked on the equipment. So let me turn it on for you guys real quick. Stuff like, come here, all this cake stuff right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of hard. It just scuffs it up, so you just put a little soap. And then you put it back to the 40-degree whatever thing, and light them up. my other one got stolen, but that one was battery powered. This one's gas powered, so that saved me a ton of time with the power it has. But these are basically all done. What I typically do is I have these wipes, I forgot what they're called, but you know, I think they're called tub towels, and you just wipe them real quick and make them all shiny and new. And yeah, so I gotta do the 36 still. I typically move these out of the way so the clean stuff doesn't get dirty with all the crap flying around. So, but yeah. And then at the end of the season, which we'll do next week, we'll spray paint all, you know, the stuff that's scratched, that needs a little touch up, so it looks brand new. Obviously, the wheel wells need a little cleaning because all the crap flying around. So I'll turn it back on and I'll show you guys some more. This mud right here. Isn't that disgusting? Yeah. Well guys, that's what we typically do for cleaning all of this equipment and making it all shiny and clean. I typically do this every week, but haven't had the time because it's obviously been cold out. But it's been a nice day. It's probably in the mid 40s right now. So and it's shiny. So sunny and shiny. But we got everything cleaned, as you can tell. Just gotta wipe down, you know, the wheel wells. Still pretty dirty in there. And yeah, and that's about it. All right, guys. So this is the Tub of Towels brand I use. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I just think they're good. You know, you just wipe down the grime that you can't get with the power washer because it's tight. But it's good, you know. And I usually clean them for the wheel wells. So I'll show you. See, like, come in real close. See all that grime right there? I mean, that hasn't been cleaned at least a couple weeks. So, you know, you just wipe it with a little bit of pressure. You can see that, like, it's nice and yellow. So I do that all around, because usually I stay on top of this, but, like, you know, it just depends on my timing and schedule of getting everything done. But just keep wiping. And that tub comes with 90 wipes, and you can just get it at like Meijer, Walmart, Kroger, whatever. I think it's definitely in the, or your automotives or auto store, whatever. So, but yeah, just keep wiping around the crevices. And then what I do after, you know, you let it soak for a little bit, because it's like a soap kind of, you know, going in there and cleaning all this up. And then you just take the power washer, get the rest of it out, and then it'll be nice and clean and yellow. So let me show you with the white. With the sulky, like, this is dirty because it's been super wet with the leaves. So you just kind of go around. And the power washer will take care of the rest of this. You just gotta kind of move the grime and stuff. And then what you do, kind of just throw it there, just in the trash. Start this puppy up. But as you can tell, I missed a little bit of things because it's really tight. But look at this. This is pretty yellow compared to what it was. See, like around here, I missed a little bit, but you know, that's what you do when you touch it up. So that's what I normally do with cleaning those wheel wells, and it makes it like literally brand new. I recommend using this and any type of power washer. It's called Tub of Towels, pretty generic name. And yeah, I recommend cleaning your equipment very often, because you know how dirty things get when you're working like crazy. So, and it's good because if you take care of your equipment, then your equipment will take care of you. And this mower right here is a 2015, and I've had no problems with it really. And you know, I just keep cleaning it, and really it looks still brand new. See, on this side of the deck, I gotta like wipe it a little bit. See all that grime that came off? Look at that, shiny. But I'll spray paint everything with the John Deere paint. And at the end of the season, because see all that, you know, we've been scraping bark or whatever, bricks, side of houses, you know, it happens. And just touch it up so it looks brand spanking new, and should be ready for the next season. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll keep posting more content. It's gonna be a lot slower for the winter because obviously we're not working. I don't do snow at all, so because it just kind of depends on the weather here, and plus I don't like the cold at all. So I hope you enjoy. Of course, like and subscribe this video. Get that algorithm up there. Come on, we need you guys' help. So I hope you enjoyed and have a great one. Peace.